Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to remove the text easily using the Photopea. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do over here, you can visit this photopea.com, and after that you can go to the new project or uploading the picture that contains the word or the text, guys. And for example, you can also simply drag it or drop the files into this section. For example, I will click this, hold it, and drag it into this section. There you go. And after that, I will start to select all this text. And since we need to select this text detail, so the tool that I will use here is the magic wand. Select it, and after that, before you select this text, make sure that you push the shift and hold it. For example, I have now pushed the shift in my keyboard, and after that I will select this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And after that I will go to the select, go to the modify, and click expand. And for this pixel, it's gonna be 5, and click OK. And after that, I will go to the edit, go to the fill, and for the fill section, make sure you will choose this content aware, like this, and the blend mode gonna be normal, and the opacity gonna be 100%. And after that, you can simply click OK, and kindly wait for the result. And after that, you can start to go to the select again and click this deselect. So this is the text that is now removed from this picture of the banana. And if you'd like to save this picture, then you can go to the file and you can save it or export it, whether that for the PNG, JPEG, or many more, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.